How to make FAQ in Wix 2025. So if you want to learn how you're going to want to make an FAQ in Wix, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your Wix editor and you're going to go over to search, where it's going to allow you to search in the application that's going to give you the FAQs. So you can go ahead and write FAQs, and as you can see, organize your FAQ help desk by an easy to use format, or you can create collapsible FAQs with Wix FAQ. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Wix FAQ, and here, as you can see, it's a proper collapsible FAQ. Now, you can go ahead and spend some time in creating different drop down menus for those FAQs, but that's going to take you a lot of time. Why not use a well built inbuilt template that's already there? So, as you can see, we have FAQs right in front of us. Now, it says your FAQs are hidden. So, what we're going to do is we're going to manage the FAQs. Now, once we click on manage FAQs, it's going to open this up over here. And what you can do is you can start adding new FAQs for yourself. So let's say the FAQ is what is shipping rate? Okay, that's an FAQ. And you can go ahead and add your answer like 50 USD for international. And you can go with 10 USD local. Okay, you can go ahead and write that in, click on save, and there is it. So that is how you are going to be adding your very own FAQs in Wix. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.